Hey students, चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 7.2 in CRT for class 12th. In this question, I will use substitution method. Write down substitution method. Okay. In substitution, what do we do? Let me assume 9 minus 4x square is t. Okay. What to assume as t? It you will understand with practice. लेकिन rough idea है, you have to take t whose derivative is present in the question. ठीक है, देखते हैं. Let's differentiate it both sides. Differentiate both sides. तो 9 का डेरिवेटिव क्या हो गया? 0 minus 4 2s are 8x dx is dt. तो can I write 8 x dx is equal to dt by 8. Okay, minus dt by 8. Because this x dx is there in the question, so I am planning to use it. So this question will become integration of dt by minus 8 into what is denominator? Denominator I have taken as t. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखिए. तो minus 1 by 8 integration of dt by t. तो what is integration of 1 by t? Is log of t plus c. and t क्या था guys? t तो ये था, तो t को हम वापस डालेंगे minus 1 by 8 9 minus 4x square plus c. डन. देखिए क्वेश्चन 16 from NCERT 7.2. We know if you have anything, देखिए a raised to power x plus y, तो it can be written a raised to power x into a raised to power y. Powers can split plus में, है ना? This is the rule. तो I will use it here. E raised to power 2x into e cube dx. E cube क्या है? E cube is just a constant, so we can write it here. E cube e raised to power 2x dx. Now, what is integration of ex? Is plane ex. So here, the integration of e raised to power 2x ही होगा by 2. In integration, whatever is in coefficient with x goes down always. This I told you in first exercise. Whatever is the coefficient goes down and plus c. This is your answer. There may be another method as well, but this is perfectly fine. Or if you want, you can combine these two. ये दोनों combine हो जाएंगे. E raised to power 2x plus 3 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. This is question number 17 from NCERT 7.2. सोचिए what can we take t here? Just think about it. Whose derivative is present in the question itself? Can we take x square as t? So 2x dx will be dt. So it will be x dx is dt by 2. ठीक है, this part will be dt by 2. dt by 2. And what is this after substitution? This became e raised to power t because t x square क्या है? X square we have assumed to be t. So now this is the new question. So this will become 1 by 2 e raised to power minus t dt. What is integration of ex? Is nothing but ex plus c only. So I will use here 1 by 2 e raised to power minus t. Whenever there is any coefficient with the variable, that is gone in denominator. Remember that this will go down. So it is minus 1 by 2 minus t plus c. And minus t. t क्या था guys? t को हम वापस डालेंगे. ठीक है? तो e raised to power minus x square plus c. This is answer. Try to solve on your own. सोचिए इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन के लिए व्हाट शुड आई कंसिडर एज टी, व्हाट शुड आई कंसिडर एज टी? सो दैट शुड बी tan inverse x. Why? Let me tell you why. To differentiate both sides. What is derivative of tan inverse x? ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. What is derivative of tan inverse x, guys? 1 by 1 plus x square. Write down. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is dt. What are you observing now? क्या लग रहा है आपको? What you are observing is this thing is in the question itself. है कि नहीं है? है ना? So it will be, this part will become dt. देखिए, this is nothing but dt. dx by 1 plus x square is nothing but dt. And what is this? e raised to power t. तो आपका क्वेश्चन हो गया e raised to power t dt. Perfect. तो e raised to power t plus c, because integration of ex is ex only, integration of ex is ex only. ठीक है, तो e raised to power t, t क्या था वो आप वापस डाल दीजिए, t तो यही था, t तो यही था ना, तो वो मैंने वापस डाल दिया, तो यही आपका आंसर है. सो दिस इज 19th क्वेश्चन. ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So इसमें what we will do, write down, divide each term by ex. Now we will see why. E raised to power 2x by x, I'm sorry, divided by e raised to power x, each term. Okay, so this is first term, 1 by e raised to power x divided by 2x by e raised to power x plus 1 by, fine, I divided each term means this, everything divided by e raised to power x. क्या फायदा होगा उससे? Let us see. Can I write e raised to power x, है ना, 2x by x is what? 2x minus x, which is e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x, because this will come up. Then this minus this is e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x dx. अब ध्यान से सोचिए, what can we do? Can I consider this plus this is t? Yes. This denominator, देखिए why? Let me tell you why. If I differentiated both sides to e raised to power x plus e raised to power x into, by chain rule, what is derivative of minus x is minus 1 dx is equal to dt. Yes or no? Now simplify ex, minus of e minus x dx is dt. If you observe clearly, this is nothing but my whole numerator I am getting. ध्यान से देखिए, पूरा का पूरा न्यूमरेटर हमें मिल गया है in the terms of dt. तो my question became dt by, and this entire thing is what? This entire thing is t. I had assumed it. Yes or no? So this will become integration log of t plus c, because integration of 1 by t is log t. And what was t? T was this. So हम डाल दीजिए यहाँ पर e raised to power x, e raised to power minus x plus c. This is the answer. फिर से करिए, देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में देखते ही कुछ पता चल रहा है, previous, it is similar to the previous question, right? You can observe it. There is no need to divide with anything. If I consider this as t, the denominator part I am taking as t. Now differentiate both sides. If I differentiate both sides, so I will get e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x into, when we differentiate, we have to apply here chain rule, right? So let me apply chain rule. E raised to power 2x, and what is derivative of 2x is 2, plus e raised to power minus 2x, and what is derivative of 2x is minus 2. Okay, dx is dt. For this you should be aware of the chain rule. So now what we will get here, we can take 2 common. So e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power minus 2x dx is dt. Yes. Now e raised to power 2x minus 2x dx is dt by 2. So observe carefully, this whole part is becoming dt by 2. Can you see that? E raised to power 2x minus e raised to power minus 2x dx is dt by 2. This whole part is becoming dt by 2. So I can write dt by 2, the numerator. And what is denominator part? This part I have assumed t only, correct? तो यहाँ पर लिखिए t. अब ध्यान से देखिए, 1/2 बाहर ले आए, 1/t dt. अब तो कुछ नहीं है इसमें, 1/t का इंटीग्रेशन इज log of t plus c. 1/2 log of t क्या था? t को तो आपको वापस डालना है ना, t plus e raised to power minus 2x plus c. This was my answer. Now question 21 is also very simple and important question. देखिए, let me take 2x minus 3st. तो it will be twice of dx is dt, because 3 का डेरिवेटिव तो 0 ही है. तो ये हो जाएगा dx is dt by 2. This is done. तो let me write, question became tan square t dt by 2. ठीक है, because dx is dt by 2 and this part is t. ध्यान से देखिए, we have no formula for integration of tan square t. Write down two very important formula. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. These are very important formulas. From this formula, can I write tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. So I will use it here. ठीक है, तो tan square t will become sec square t minus 1 dt, and ये वाला जो 2 है, this we will take out. ठीक है, we know integration of sec square क्या है? Look in your formula list. Integration of sec square is tan x. Correct everyone? तो यहाँ पर ऑपरेटर x नहीं है, यहाँ पर ऑपरेटर t है, तो we will take tan t minus t plus c. Why? Because integration of 1 is t. फॉर्मूला है इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 इज x. यहाँ पर ऑपरेटर क्या है? t है, तो we will take t. If operator is x, we take x. Fine. So this is my answer. But wait, what was t? T is this. So put it back. 1/2 tan of 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 plus c. This is my answer. Let's do next question. This is the question. Pretty simple है. Let me take this as t. ठीक है, इसको t लेके करेंगे तो इट विल बी -4 dx इज dt, बिकॉज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 7 तो 0 ही है, तो dx विल बी dt बाई -4। तो क्वेश्चन क्या बन गया, क्वेश्चन बन गया सीक स्क्वायर ऑफ t dt बाई -4, -4 बाहर। सीक स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला तो बहुत इजी है गाइस, सीक स्क्वायर इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ tan, check your list, formula list which I gave in first video। तो -1/4 tan of t, ठीक है था 7 - 4x plus c, this is the answer। This is the next question, it's pretty simple if you know the differentiation। So what is derivative of sine inverse x? What is derivative of sine inverse x? Is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula. So let me take sine inverse x as t, then differentiate both sides. So we will get under root of 1 minus x square dx is dt. This part dx by 1 minus root of 1 minus x square is there already. So my question will become what? This part is dt, ये वाला part, this and this together is dt, and what is this? This whole thing became t. So integration is t square plus t square by 2 plus c, ठीक है। We can use this formula, इधर देखिए x raised to power n dx is power n plus 1 by n plus 1, by this formula we will get this। t क्या था, t क्या था, t was this, so it is sine inverse of x square by 2 plus c। In this question we will take 6 cos x plus 4 sin x is equal to t, differentiate both sides, it will become minus of 6 sin x because derivative of cos x is sin x, plus 4 sin x derivative is cos x dx is dt। We can take 2 common, so minus 3 of sin x 2 cos x dx is equal to dt। Now if we observe this and this, they are same, yes or no? 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, and this is also 2 cos x minus 3 sin x, it is same। So let me write minus 3 sin x 2 cos x dx is equal to dt by 2। Now we are ready to substitute here। तो numerator is dt by 2, ठीक है, and what is this denominator is nothing but t, so can I write like this, ठीक है, dt by t, so it will be 1 by 2 log of t plus c, and what is t? t को वापस डाल दीजिए, t is this, so it will be 1 by 2 log of 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c mod, this is my answer। This is question 25। In this, can I take it up, cos square up, तो it will become sec square। अब आप सोचिए whose derivative is present in the question itself। Derivative of tan x, I think everybody knows, is sec square x, yes। क्या लेना चाहिए, t, this is t, तो minus of sec square dx is dt. Yes. Minus of dt. Correct. ठीक है. So this part got sorted. Yes, this part we got kind of sorted. So this will become d minus of dt by, what is this? This is t square. ठीक है. तो minus of t raised to power minus 2 dt. तो what is integration? Minus of t raised to power minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So it is minus of t raised to power minus 1 by, what is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. This minus and this minus will become plus. ठीक है. And t raised to power minus will become 1 by t plus c. What is t? T we have to put it back. Correct? T was this. Check करिए. What was t? T was 1 minus tan x plus c. This is my answer. See you tomorrow for the next video.